Morning everybody, beautiful day today. So a student has just asked me, how can I enter the web-based version of the app? What do I need to download? And I've got great news. You don't need to download anything. You just go to studio.com, you make sure you are signed in with the email address that you gave studio.com when you signed up for the app. So make sure you're signed in with that email address. Check your emails. If you've had emails from studio.com to that email address, that's the one you need. So make sure you're signed in and then just look for my app. So if you type in English, you'll see me there. You go to my app and you click on Go to App, and then you click on Open the app on the web, and then it will let you in. So you don't need to download anything. It's really easy. It's really straightforward. Now go to any of these activities and of course you'll see lessons. That's a lesson on past modal verbs in the perfect form. Pronunciation practice, phrasal verbs with keep right there to keep you busy. And lots of role play where you have to look at the audio, you listen to my prompt. Don't forget, there's a live session with Open Conversation if you ask the AI coach for Open Conversation. And I really recommend that you do this every day. I recommend that you retell a story to the AI every day, and the AI will correct your mistakes. Now, it can actually do this in any language, and so I like doing it in Russian because that's the second language that I study. And watch, it will correct me.
Welcome back.
Добро пожаловать. Я хочу сегодня говорить на русском. Я хочу рассказывать Чехова. Хорошо?
Конечно. Давайте поговорим о Чехове. Расскажите, почему вы выбрали именно его? Какое произведение вам больше всего запомнилось?
Ну, я очень люблю «Палату номер 6». Мне кажется, это очень интересный рассказ. И мне очень нравится персонаж Иван Громов. И мне очень нравится, ну, как его зовут? Может быть, это доктор Рагин?
Отлично. Вы очень хорошо рассказываете. Да, доктор Рагин – это ключевой персонаж. Вы уже уверенно называете имена и детали. Попробуйте еще подробнее описать, чем вас привлекает именно Иван Громов.